Hello lovely CEO, welcome back to MJC Creativity. Now let's quickly design this lovely Sinamay Fascinator. So I'm sorry I have tagged the stick to the art now, but what I'm showing there is because this is down part, so my stick must align with that joining, that bias joining that I did. That's what I just displayed there. So you just coil your stick. I think I have a video on the channel that shows how to coil the stick, so you can check the channel on that. So after you've coiled your stick, what you are doing is to attach your stick on the heart. Attach the stick on the heart firmly, let it be firm, and don't forget that joining place, because that place will be the down. So that's why I align it to be. I don't want any rough work, so that's what I'm doing. I'm done with it. I have to make sure everything is firm. You make sure everything is firm and tag very well to the heart. And once you are okay with what you have tagged, so you cut off the excess, and that's just tagging aspect. You just tag and tag and tag and tag and cut off the. So once you're okay with the tagging, you just cut it off. I hope we are enjoying this channel and we are learning one or two things on the channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for learning. So please let us practice. So the next thing now is to put my Harley's band, but I want to wrap the Harley's band. I don't want it to be black. I want it to be gold, matching with the Fascinator I'm doing. So I want to use the cinnamon. The color, that heart is cinnamon heart, so I want to use that same cinnamon to wrap the heart. You see I'm putting my UHU gum inside the Harley's band. Inside the Harley's band, that's where I'm putting my UHU gum. After that, you take the pieces of your cinnamon, just measure. I allow it to dry a bit, then take the pieces of your cinnamon. Depending on the size of Harley's band that you are doing, that's what you will cut. If your Harley's band is tinier than this, that means your cinnamon will not be as wide as what I am doing. So what you just do is just to fold it inside and make it firm. Fold it inside and make it firm. Let me remind us that in this channel, what we look towards is a neat work. It is very important for your work to be neat. So be patient when you're doing your work and make sure everything is neat. You can see everything is looking very neat. I folded it well. The tip, you just apply your gum and fold the cinnamon inside. Apply your gum and fold the cinnamon inside. That's what I'm trying to do now. Then after you are done with that, the next thing to do, okay, you can see how neat it is. The next thing to do is to cover that inside that is open. We need to cover that inside that is open. So I'll take my trimmings. This is trimmings. This is half inch trimmings. So I'll take the trimmings to cover, I think it's quarter inch or thereabouts. I'll take the trimmings to cover that open place. You just put your gum, as I am doing now. Watch what I am doing. You put your gum and allow it to dry a bit before you put your trimmings. At this point, if you are here to subscribe to the channel, please do well to subscribe to the channel, share, comments, like, give us thumbs up. And if you have the opportunity, you can give us super thanks. That's just to say thank you for what you're doing, what we are doing, just to encourage us. Thank you for doing that. So now I have put my gum. What I will do, okay, the trimming is quarter inch. What I will do now, what I'm doing now is to gum the trimming inside to cover that inside. So one round will not do, so I have to go twice. So please, if you are yet to practice any of the video that you have watched, the materials are not expensive. They are something that you can afford to get. So please just try as much as possible to get one or two materials. You can be getting it gradually and practice. If you really want to go into this line of business, it is important. So I have done it twice. You can see how beautiful, how lovely, and how neat the Harley's band is looking. It is giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, We are done with the Alice band. Now is to place our fascinator on the band. I always do my check before gumming anything. I always say that, so please do your check, see how fitted it will be, see the side you want to place it before you gum it to your fascinator, before you gum it. So I'm cutting just little stripes of the cinnamon. Put your gum it, let the gum be much, not too much that it will stain the upper part of the fascinator, but let the gum be enough for it to hold the fascinator firmly. So you put your gum as I'm doing, put your gum well, neatly, nicely, and allow it to dry a bit. Don't paste it immediately that you put your gum. So allow it to dry a bit. Don't mind me, I'm pasting it, but allow it to dry a bit. Okay, I think I've allowed the other one, this one, to dry a bit before putting small one on the band. So you just hold it for a little while, and gum it down. Okay, we have our fascinator, beautiful looking fascinator, now almost ready. We are about 90% ready, almost ready now. Yeah, so what you will do now is, I'm just checking the fitting on my head, now. Checking the fitting on my head. You can see it's giving already. Please subscribe to this channel. If you are here to do so, please subscribe. So the next thing to do now is, I'm using roses to decorate this. So what I will do now is, I move close to where I have sockets to plug my candle gum. I want to use candle gum for this because it will be faster and it will make the roses to gum well on the fascinator. So if you don't have the candle gum, there is no problem. You can use your UHU gum or your E6000. It's just that when you put it, allow it to dry a bit before pasting it. Or if there is no light, it doesn't mean that you should wait for candle gum if you have to deliver the job very quickly. So you can use the other gum. So this part is just within you and what you're doing, the design you have in mind that you are doing. My own design is what I'm doing, and whatsoever you are doing, make sure it covers the tagged area where you tag, where the fishing lines or the needle and thread are showing. Make sure it covers those areas. So that's what I'm doing. And for the last time, if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please click on that subscribe now. Click on it now. Like the work, share the work, comments, say something sweet, say something encouraging to us, and if you wish, you can do a super thanks just to encourage us. Thank you for doing that. So I have 6 roses that I'm using to design this heart. 6 roses. So that's what I am doing now. So hat making is very interesting, is very sweet, and is something that can fetch you a good amount of profit. So you start small, start with that your little things, start in that your little room, and just continue making progress gradually. So if you really want to go into this line of business, I will encourage us once again to please practice what we are learning. You can see how it come out now. This is very lovely. This is so lovely. So this is the end of designing the hat. If you want to know how to mold, though Sinamay molding is different from the other one, the way we call Sinamay, but you can check our channel for molding. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.